Your biceps too rock hard from all those curls for the girls, and that gun show just can't go on? We can solve that for you with this stretch coming right up. All right, we're back for the bicep stretch. Now it seems pretty easy when you do it, but there's something to keep in mind. I want you all to be conscientious of, is that sometimes the nerves from your neck, they can get kinked, and they're gonna introduce some tension into your biceps, so it always feels tight. So it could be a neck issue, just be conscientious of that. If this exercise kind of creates numbness or tingling, you probably have a nerve problem, so definitely seek help around your neck and getting that nerve flossing and all that fun stuff. You can check out some videos that we even talk about, a little bit of a thoracic outlet, and these are things that probably it's not a bicep problem per se, so just be conscientious of that. All right, so what we're gonna do is you're just gonna find your friendly neighborhood doorway. A lot of people, kind of like the pec stretch, you don't wanna lean forward, you're just gonna go away. And so I'm gonna dance away in this like if there was a skewer that went through my forehead, I'm just rotating away. And then I'm gonna kind of just let the arm go out like this. So my hand's kind of like this right now. And then what's gonna happen, you're gonna see the bicep should stretch because of the attachment here. We want to pronate the palm down. So make the palm go down and that'll lengthen. So it's gonna look like this. I'm gonna go away and then I'm just gonna pull it down. Now, if you feel that tension here, like I said, that's a good bicep stretch. But remember, it can also be masked by nerve tightness. So just hold that so you feel comfortable with it. You could do some breathing, deep breaths, or you can slowly lengthen away from it. And then when you come back, just rotate back first instead of just trying to slide it down. So that's your basic bicep stretch. It's a great little exercise instead of just trying to like go this way or do all this stuff. You just want to get away, turn your palm down, and then get that stretch. Let us know your thoughts on our video. Leave us some love or questions in the comments box below. Please like and subscribe. We appreciate your support. I'm Dr. Lin. Remember, we heal smarter, not harder.